Hey there! Today, we're unboxing the Hitosino 8-megapixel Smart Hybrid Light Camera. With sound light alarms and two-way audio, this camera works like a 24/7 guard, actively deterring intruders and bringing you peace of mind. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a waterproof lid, a pack of screws, an installation tool, a quick start guide for easy setup, and a drill template. Now, let's take a closer look at the camera. With its all-metal housing, it's designed to last and ensures high reliability. With a 1/2 2.7-inch real 4K sensor, you'll enjoy Ultra HD clarity and a wide 134-degree field of view. Uses two supplemental lights, IR and white light, offering 3 lighting modes and flashing during alarms for added protection. And in all lighting modes, the turret camera offers a consistent range of up to 30 meters. Here comes the highlight, built-in microphone and speaker, with two-way audio for real-time talk and voice alarms plus flashing lights. It actively deters threats, delivering live guard protection. Now let's move to the QR code. It lets you easily add your device to HIC Connect for seamless remote access and control. Here's the PoE port. With a single Ethernet cable, power is delivered to the camera, video and audio are transmitted, and a stable network connection is established, all in one simple setup. What's more, here's a setting room, housing the SD card slot for local storage and the reset button for quick troubleshooting. In addition, the turret camera head allows flexible adjustment. Simply loosen the screws to pan, tilt, or rotate the camera to your desired angle. Once the angle is set, tighten the screws to securely lock the camera in place. As you can see, the camera stands 96.3 millimeters tall and 127.3 millimeters in diameter, offering a compact and sleek design for versatile installations. Let's take a moment to fully appreciate the sleek design and premium feel of this camera. It's built to impress. Thank you for watching.